You've been lied to. As a matter of fact, most of the country has been lied to about the crash of the real estate market in 2022. Or did they mean 2023? Or is there not a crash at all? Hi, everyone. If we haven't met yet, I'm Troy Sage, your local Frisco Realtor, real estate insider, and I am dedicated to doing real estate differently. In this video, I'm going to show you the actual numbers of what's going on in the North Dallas, Texas area, which is mirroring most of the country right now, and let you decide if the real estate market has crashed or if it's crashing. In order to determine if the market has crashed or if it's crashing, we have to go back in time and look at the numbers when the interest rates changed. In March of 2022, everything was moving along just fine. Transactions were happening very quickly. Buyers were happy with the low interest rates, and then all of a sudden, the Feds increased interest rates. When the Feds announced the higher interest rate, that was an attempt to slow down inflation. But did that really work? Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about what the Feds did when they raised interest rates and if the raised interest rates is actually slowing inflation. These higher interest rates did have an effect on the real estate market, but more so, it just caused a lot of people to talk about the crash, and some YouTube influencers and even national news, they exploded with popularity because of the crash of 2022. Or again, was that 2023? So instead of guessing what's going on in the real estate market, I'm going to show you the actual numbers of what's happening here in North Dallas, Texas. Now, I get all of my information from the local multiple listing service, which is the most accurate numbers for homes that are available and sold homes, and I'm using Altos Research for all my graphs and my market action index. Let's take a look at what's going on in the Frisco, Texas market. Back in 2022, when the Feds announced the interest rate hike, the 7-day average was $650,000 roughly, and the 90-day average was $744,000. Now look what happens. As I follow all the way through 2022 and into this year, 2023, we are currently at $799 and $808. Prices have actually increased since March of 2022 until today. During the same time of 2022, price per square foot was $242 per square foot, and today we're at $248 per square foot. Price per square foot increased also. What's going on here? Average days on market were 60, and today, average days on market are 49. This looks like the opposite of a crash to me, but let's look at one more variable. In March of 2022, inventory was roughly 58 homes, where today there's roughly 233 homes available. Okay, so there's more inventory available today than there was in March of 2022, but where are we at in the market today with the market action index and what's going on for buyers and sellers? Frisco, Texas, the market action index is a 63, which is considered a strong seller's market. A strong seller's market, does that sound like a crash to you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let's check out a couple of other markets in the North Dallas, Texas area, and let's see, has the market crashed or is it crashing, or have you been lied to? Here's what's happened in the Prosper, Texas market. In March of 2022, the 90-day average was $864,699, and today the 90-day average is $875,557. Okay, no major increase in list price, but that does not constitute a crash. Let's dig further. In March of 2022, price per square foot was averaging $241, and today it's at $262 per square foot. Average days on market were 40, and today average days on market are 64. Okay. In March, the inventory was 31 homes, and today there are 208 properties. So yes, there's more available inventory in Prosper today, but days on market are still low and prices are holding steady. Let's check out the market action index for Prosper. Our market action index is at a 41, which is still considered a seller's market. So has the market crashed or is it crashing in Prosper? Leave me a comment below. I'd love your feedback to know what you think's going on. Let's look at a few more areas of North Dallas, Texas. Let's take a look at Celina, Texas, the path of progress, where there's tons of building and development going on right now. In March of 2022, the 90-day average was $732,174, and today the 90-day average is $647,145,000. Okay, Celina, the prices did come down, but is it really a crash? Because this is a path of progress where there's tons of building going on and there's not a lot of population yet. Let's dig a little bit further. In March of 2022, average days on market were 56, and today, average days on market are 59. Price per square foot was averaging $242 per square foot, and today it is averaging $246 per square foot. Inventory in March of 2022 were 41 properties, and today there is 120 properties. Now, this is consistent with other areas of North Dallas, Texas, with the inventory increasing, but let's look at the market action index. The market action index of a 48, which is still considered a seller's market. A seller's market does not equate to a crash. Now let's go to the other side of Frisco, Little Elm. What's going on in Little Elm? In March of 2022, the median list price was $455,135, and today the median list price is $526,780. Price per square foot in 2022 was $200 on average, and today it's $206 on average. Average days on market in March of 2022 were 85, and today it's all of 66 days. With inventory in March of 2022 being 65 homes, today we're looking at 201 properties. Again, very consistent with what's happening in the local market right now. More inventory and prices are staying steady. What's happening with the market action index? The market action index is currently at a 46, which is still a strong seller's market. So yes, there's fluctuations and differences in the market, but is there a crash in Little Elm? Leave me a comment below and let me know your thoughts. One thing I can tell you is that there are over 300 people moving to the North Dallas, Texas area every single day, and this is creating a supply and demand imbalance. This imbalance is having buyers face the reality of bidding wars yet again in a market, even though there's more inventory than what there was last year. There's other factors involved in the supply and demand besides just people moving to this area. One of the things to think about is that a lot of homeowners have much lower interest rates, so they're not selling their home unless they have to. I mean, think about it. If you had an interest rate at 3%, unless you had to move, why would you take on a loan at a higher percentage? I'm giving you this information so you are completely informed when it comes to real estate. There are a lot of influencers and news stations that keep talking about the crash. The only way to get accurate information is to get it from somebody that is actually selling homes. I mean, there's even real estate agents out there that are putting out videos and content on social media, and they're not really selling homes. They're just guessing what's going to happen. Remember, real estate is an investment, and it's very important you have a bird's eye view on what's happening in the real estate market, whether you're selling or you're buying. It's also important that you have a solid game plan before buying or selling so that you have the outcome that is realistic and what you're looking for. If you'd like information about a specific area, please leave a comment below, and I will run a search specific to what you're looking for or what you're thinking about selling. Hey, if you like the information that you're getting from this video and you want to stay current on what's happening in the real estate market, click subscribe and the bell so you're alerted every time I upload another video. Until next time, my friends, make it a great day.